Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how to choose your medical college. So these are the various factors which you need to take into consideration before choosing a medical college. First of all, you need to know if your college is run by the central or the state or is run privately. The main difference between these three types of institutions is that in centralized institutions there are usually no bonds, the fees is very less and they're very hard to get into. The state-run colleges usually have bonds lasting for from 1 year to 2 years, depends on the state which you're choosing. The fees is also less and it's comparatively easy to get into. Finally, private institutions, there may or may not be bonds and the fees is very high and they're very easy to get into. Please note that any medical college you're going to get into, the first eligibility is that you need to have cleared NEET exam. Following that, you need to know about the patient load and the bed capacity of the hospital. Patient load is basically how many patients come into the hospital and how many people is the hospital able to accommodate over there. This is very important because as a doctor, especially in a UG, you need to be exposed to a lot of patients to know at least a little bit about medicine and how you're going to treat different people. The more people you're exposed to, the more patients you look at, the more experienced doctor you become. So that's a very important thing which you need to look into before choosing your college. The third factor is that if you have an idea about how many students get into PG within 1 or 2 years as soon as they finish from the college, it will give you a good standard about the quality of education and how competitive the colleges and what are your chances of getting into PG if you join that college. So this data will be a little bit hard to find because you need to find someone in the college, talk to them and ask them about all these details. So the next point would be the proximity to your hometown, and a sub point to this would be either it is a urban or rural area in which the college is situated. So if you're going to choose a college is situated in the urban area, you will have access to all the amenities like recreational parks, gyms, athletic grounds, swimming pools, theaters, malls, everything would be around. But in a rural setting, you won't find all of those amenities. So that is one thing you need to look into. And secondly, if the farther away from your hometown it is, the harder it will be for you to come back in case of any emergency or you want to just come home. If it's a very long distance race, it will become very hard for you in the long run because medical MBBS course is about 5.5 years, so you need to have that in your mind as well. The fifth point would be the infrastructure and hostel accommodation. Please know that I have not included about the food over here because everyone knows that hostel food is going to be bad and you need to get used to it wherever you go. So other than that, the infrastructure and the hostel cleanliness and the toilets, those are things which you can look out for and they're pretty good in many institutions. So those are things you need to check out before joining a college. And finally, it would be really nice if you knew someone in that college as a professor or as a senior or however you knew someone in that college, they would make things easier for you and you can easily use their influence to get things done, like you can find out where to go and then maybe if you need to talk to some professor you can approach them through these people. So these are all the various things which you need to have in your mind before choosing a medical college, and I hope this video is of some use to all those people confused about which college they need to choose. And please do like, share, subscribe and comment on these videos. Thank you.